Hello guys, let's say start say above lecture. I'll just show you what happens to above lecture. I'll do so. Let's say just create the memory, first memory. Let's say Google and Google. I'll just say what happens to above lecture. So just show you, and then after I'll just today lecture for the tutorial purpose for the how to create the routes in the different part for the just different part for the this form and different URL in the task. So let's say just Google direct gmail.com and just dummy number and just submit and successfully and update the name and submit. So successfully update, and let's say show you delete functionality work or not. This is temporary stuff. Let's say refresh and just show you successfully memory is delayed after a refresh. So let's say start for the how to create the route using React Router DOM. So let's start for the video and just Control C to close the all terminal, and let's say this is the package installed for the React Router DOM. So let's say package install just, and then after I'll show you the how to create the route using package React Router DOM. This is the form and different URL for the show in the form and different initialize for the URL. So this is the app.js, the main file, and this is the our two component to divide in the URL. So this package installed, then after I'll show you how to set the URL using React Router DOM. React Router DOM is the main definition for the specific URL implementation for the this one, like slash task and open the task, and let's say form and open the form. So this functionality to specific URL implementation. Successfully package is installed. Then let's say start the npm start, and let's say first create the home component, and then after this set the React Router DOM. So let's say create the first component home.js. REFC, it's just shortcut for the arrow function, and let's say start the first h1 just like academic text home page, and save. And let's say just I'll show you which website you have to, I'll use to router to directly copy the code some functionality. So let's just I will show you this is the browser for the specific implementation to URL. This website I will use. So this is the React Router DOM website. So let's say just this is the dummy code for the router DOM. So let's say just import the first package in a React Router DOM. So this copy and the paste in the here, and all the stuff. So not use this stuff, and this you have to delete. So let's say again this router to copy all the, and this router just, and let's say this one to just temporarily comment, and first all the stuffs can be set, and then after this one can be set it. This detail I'll think not use directly. You have to use the React Router DOM, but just let's say copy for the old text. This is the temporary error, so just count down, and this is the just link for the which link you have to open. So let's say this is the task, not the task, first the for, and this is the home page. So and this the tasks. Just this one form component, it's copy, and here paste this here, and this one when we change the first for and second one to show task, first cut, and this one already get rid of them. So let's say in the here this one to change the show task, and here task, and this one already we take already just get rid of them. So error is not showing. And here just simply get rid of them. So just to and here to I think leave that. Have any error, this one will get rid of them. And second step to your component to set the, so let's this is the route create for the particular open for the this tag using. So let's say start. Let's say this again, I'll just copy in the URL. So let's say start the first just error, the show the home is notified. So let's say import the first home component. Let's say import home from dot slash and component and slash the home, and let's say save, and specific URL implementation is successfully complete. Let's say show you browser, okay, what happens. So just you show successfully router is created. Just on click the home page, we have not any because default the home page. So let's say just click on the form, so slash form, it means successfully create the specific URL implementation. So React router is used to specific URL implementation. And let's say so the task, we have no any task because the task in the home page just not URL link is matched. So let's say check what happens, and here the tasks and spelling mistake to in this task. So sometime this match. So let's say save, and let's say, and also you show successfully show task. So let's say just create the one memory and show the all functionality is complete running with the router. So let's say many face and let's say many face, and this is many dot face gmail.com, and let's say just domain number 267, and let's say submit. And this is the not set the refresh functionality. So let's say just 2 times, and let's say show in the here successfully memory to create the 3 times. I'll just click. So successfully create the route in the functionality. So thank you so much, and like and subscribe to my channel Manyface Learning. And next video tutorial I have to show the using the login functionality, to how to use a login using auth functionality. First video I have just showed you how to condition check, means how to create the condition and how to set the some password, so to password set and username and match for the username and password successfully. It means user success existing and password not match, then it alert box to show the all. Next video tutorial I'll just show you. Thank you so much, and this is the ending for the this tutorial. So thank you so much.